My name is Ashish Kumar. I'm Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Ajay Kumar Garg, Engineering College, Ghaziabad. My subject is Artificial Intelligence, KCS 071, and it is my lecture 5. And in that lecture, I have to discuss about some topics here. And that topics is first is intelligent agent, second is intelligent agent architecture, logic-based agent architecture, reactive agent architectures, belief desired intention agent architectures, agent communications, multi-agent system architecture characteristics, negotiation and bargaining, trust and reputation in multi-agent system. Those topics are related to your 4 units. It is a cover the whole units in brief descriptions related to all topics. Intelligent agent is you have to already discuss in previous units, unit 1. So it is explore some points, but in that times I am to discuss different agents. So first, what is the intelligent agents? Already you know that already in a previous lecture, agent basically observe the information from environment and take the some action in a environment is without any human interference. That is called the agent, AI agent. Basically, here mention some point related to intelligent agent, and here I have to discuss. An intelligent agent is an autonomous entity which act as upon environment using sensor and actuator for achieving goals. That means intelligent agent basically observing the information from through the sensor, through environment, and using actuator, he takes some action and achieve the some goals. Because you take some one example in outside the environment, a rainy season. So agent first decided to have to take the some umbrella and move on the environment. That means he observes some information through the sensor from environment and some action from the performs environment. And next point is an intelligent agent may learn from the environment to achieve their goals. That means again he related to the environment. That means observe some information and perform some goals. Following are the main 4 rules for an AI agent. Rule 1: an AI agent must have ability to perceive the environment. That means AI agent is the very intelligent. He perceives the information and collect the information from the environment. Second point rules is the observation must be used to make decision. After collection information, basically he is created to some decision without interference of human beings, and using some sense through sensor. Decisions should result in action. Decision should behave a result through action. That means it is a perform some action in an environment. Fourth rules: the action taken by an AI agent must be a rational action. Here the rational action basically perform accuracy of your work. That means AI agent takes some information through a sensor from environment and take the rational action. That means a accurate action is performed. Because in some places you have to know, some uses the some robots, it is related to a AI agent, and a robot performs some accurate task related to a environment. So in next slide you have to categorize some agent. Already discussed some goal agent, global agent, some different agent already discussed in previous lecture, but in that categories different agent I have to discuss in here. First is logic based agent, and next is reactive agents, and third is belief desired intention agent, and fourth is layer architectures. Logic based agent, already you have see that here in that pictures, here environment is there, and agent get some observe some information through the sensor and perform some action in an environment. That means it is works from both direction. That is, take some information from the environment and some perform action in the environment. Here here's some picture. I have to discuss these pictures. Here in that picture, some agent is there. Agent is here. Some sensor and some environment. So in that pictures, sensor percept some information from environment, and environment first you see the what the world is like now. That means in that times work how to behave. Then what action I should do now? Then what action I have to perform, and then condition action rules, and then here mention actuator and then action. Already in previous slide I have to discuss about the actuator. Actuator basically provides some action of AI agent. Okay, so here what the world is like now and what action I should do now, but that means what action I have to perform, and then condition action rules. That means I have to decide in environment rainy season is started, if rain is started or not. That means if and else conditioner arises here, and actuator is perform action in a environment. That is a main, it is a totally based logical based agent. And here mention some point. An agent can represent the knowledge of its world, its goals and current situation. That means what is the behavior in that performance in the world, and what are goals of the agents and current situation of the environment. Logical agent has a collection of sentence in a logic form. Sentence, that means if rain tomorrow, if rain is there, then soil is sorted. That means that means it is a perform the logic based situation. Logical agent has collection of sentence in logic form. What to do with the help of logical sentences, knowledge and reasoning are important. That means we have to decide some reasoning. Suppose A plus B is equal to C. That is a reasoning form. That means your knowledge and reasoning is the main important of the logical based agent. So if the value of A is 5 and B is 6, then logically A plus B is so that 11. That is a main is reasoning concept. You have to some books you have to check the reasoning, what is the reasoning platform. So it is a development of your knowledge. So some advantage, it have clean semantic due which they can be used over long period of time. Logic based agent, it works on the long period times, and it create some disadvantages there. It create issues with complex dynamic environment. If it is a create the some problem in a complex and dynamic environment. Reactive agent, it is the main role of reactive agent. So before discuss the point, I am discuss here in that figure. In that figure, some cars are traveling in the roads. So one car, suppose that car is Tesla. All of you know that Tesla is a AI related cars, and it works self-driving car. That means some sensor are available in that car, and he preserved the information from every information from the environment and get some performance. Where we have to move, right moves, left moves, and some decision related action performed. That is called the reactive agent. Already here some points I have to mention that reactive agent are those that respond the immediate stimuli from their environment and take action based on those stimuli. Proactive sorry proactive agents on the other hand take initiative and plan ahead to achieve their goals. The environment in which an agent operates can also be fixed or dynamic. Fixed environment have a static set of rules that do not change while dynamic environment are constantly changing changing and require agent to adapt to new situation. So basically, main goals of that cars, Tesla cars, it perform the exact roles using some sensor observations. So main roles is provide the some accurate performance. That means at as a current situation. So here also mentioned the reactive agent architecture are sometimes referred as a behavioral situation and reactive. It is a depend of totally behavioral situation and reactive agent. It is referred to as reactive because such system are 100% understood to be just reacting to an environment without reasoning about it. sorry. Next, here in next figure, you see that some automatic cars are there and some sensors are performed, and some give the some architecture of road map and different direction or moving car. So in a one times he has to move, then collision is created. So sensor is not work properly and not perform the observation based reaction, then collision is provided. But he perform as the observation of situation and perform the some task, that is called a reactive agent. Now move on. Next slide. Next is sorry. Belief, desire, and intention hidden. First, what is the meaning of belief, desire, and intention? Belief means viswas, desire, ichha, and intention, irada. All 3 points. So here mentioned the BDI agent architecture is based on the Michael Bradman's psychological theory. The explained reasoning through the following attitudes: beliefs, desire, and intention. Beliefs, that means God is available in an environment. It is my beliefs. Desire, I purchase some Rolls Royce car and other desire are there. That means ichha. Intention, how to perform and execute my desire. That is called intention. In agent form, we have to say that here some pointer mentioned: belief, desire, and intention. Beliefs are the agent model of the environment. Basically, what is beliefs to be true is not knowledge, as some of its beliefs might be false. Sometimes beliefs may be false. Desire, represented ideal state of environment for the agent, like in the human mind. These represent think we would like to see realized in the future. A desire might be realistic or not, occur with human thinking and way, or may not be achievable. Sometimes your desire, it is achievable or not achievable. Suppose I move to abroad as a behave like a scientist, it is my desire, but sometimes it is achieve or not achieve. It is possible. But intention, next point is intention. Intention represent a subset of desire that the agent has taken the goal to be actualized. So provide the how to achieve my goals. That means first, if you think I purchase some Rolls Royce car, but how to achieve my goals? Suppose one of day you decided your desire is purchase a car, and one day you decided today I have to purchase a car. That means irada. So that is some perform the action. Belief represented the agent model of the world. Desire represented the agent goals, intention represented the action. So here last line you mentioned represent the agent model the world, desire represented the agent goals, and intention represent the action performed. That means first model of the world and desired already discussed. Desire is the my goals and intention how to perform the action I am to achieve the my goals. In that figure, first we have to explain about the beliefs, desire, and intention. In figure already discussed BRF. BRF basically belief reasoning function. Through the belief that means Vishwas, generate some option related your desire. What is your desire? A desired filter. That means a desire is fulfilled or not fulfilled. If desire is fulfilled, some intention are created. That means some action are performed and effector some advantage of belief, desire, intention agent. Advantage, it uses a standard human reasoning process to reach to goal. It has clear function decomposition. Disadvantages, difficulty lies in knowing how to efficiently implemented all BDI model function. These are two. First is advantage and second is the disadvantage is the belief, desire, intention. Major issue. Multi-agent and agent communication. All of you know that a communication basically between two human, two agents. Not a single agent is it possible. Decided for the how to communicate it and perform the sub-access action. While acting in the real world, an agent may not be always in a singleton mode. In real world, no agent in a single form. It is has to deal with the situation where in the other agent and related to factor affecting the agent environments. That means he is communicated and perform some affection in a environment. Such system wherein multiple agent works together, the communication, cooperate and deal with the situation are termed as the multi-agent. Sometimes you see that in a corporate world, number of workers is maximum and he is communicated each other and get the some decision and perform some action. That is some points is related to the in that terms. Multi-agent system essentially distributed system which more efficient in the sense that they can be optimized and mostly easier to understand and easier to develop, especially when the problem being solved is itself distributed. Data and information itself is distributed spanning at different geographical location needed to be handled through the multiple agent. Basically, data collected from different location is a geographical form. Last point is the system itself too big and complex that needs to be separated in the multiple components so as to reduce its complexity and size that can be handled easily. Some characteristics are there multiple of agent. Each agent has just incomplete information and it is all of you know that one agent not collect the whole of information. That means he collect only incomplete information. So it is a restricted capabilities. The system control is distributed. All of you know the task is distributed in different person as it information and any data is in an agent manner. It is also distributed in a control form. Data is decentralized here already mentioned. Computation is a synchronization. Multi-agent environment are typically open and have no centralized design. Multi-agent environments have agents that are autonomous and distributed and may be self-interested. Negotiation bargaining. What is the negotiation and bargaining? uh, Sometimes you have say that the negotiation is the basically communication between two persons, and bargaining is related to the finance. Before understanding the negotiation and bargaining, I say one share some example related my real life. My friend, it is industrial, very big industrial. One day he he decided I purchase four cars, four Rolls Royce cars and BMW cars. He decided. He move on showroom and enter showroom. He enter and then call to some assistant and he say that "Ki today I have to purchase four cars." All of person of shop he very excited. One person already entered in my the shops and he decided to the purchase my four Rolls Royce car. Suppose one car's is amount is 50 lakhs. And but before purchasing of that cars, he asked the assistant to give the some discount. Assistant say, "Sir, what discount you think?" He say, "In purchase of four cars, you give one car free." Okay. But assistant says, "Sir, it is not possible." Again he said, "If you give the not car, but I give the some amount." So my friend asked, "You give my some amount in related to your cars. That means 50 lakhs you give it." 50 lakh is given. Okay. So that means he said that no sir, I give the and that amount is around 50 lakhs. My friend is convinced and he says that okay, no issue. And he purchases four cars with term and condition of 5 years of the servicing of my cars. That is called a negotiation. And bargaining always related to your finance. You say that in negotiation form, both are win, but in bargaining, one loss and one win. Suppose you have to purchase some flats and you have to bargaining amounts related to your flats. Buyer always reduce the amount and seller when amount is reduced, then is the loss of amount. That means your possibilities of win and loss. But in negotiation case, both are win. Negotiation is a long-term relation. Bargaining is a short-term relation. So I am discuss some point here. Discussion at which the people try to decide or agree some things. Bargaining to discuss price conditioning etc with somebody in order to reach and the agreement to deliver the. In a multiple agent system, negotiation is form of interaction that occur among agents with different goals. Major challenges of negotiation and bargaining is to allocate it scarce resources on agent representing self-interested parties. The resources can be bandwidth, commodities, money processing power, etc. The resources become scarce as competing claims for it can be stimulated, satisfied. Negotiation and bargaining is a process by which a joint decision is reached by two or more agents is trying to reach an individual goal or objective. Main purpose of why you are here mention negotiation and bargaining because member of agents are working in that environment, so it is not aware from the real environment. So how to it perform the some goals related to your achievements? So it is a major very necessary how to perform negotiation and bargaining through agent. Okay, thank you.